It's going down.
Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. P2.
Someone pushed 3.
Doors opening. Going up.
Got more circle buttons.
Doors closing.
Doors open message. That's interesting.
I like the messages in this elevator.
Lobby.
Oh, okay.
Oh shoot, we're gonna go up.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors opening. Going up.
What floor?
Doors closing. Third floor. Doors opening.
Have a good day.
Going up. Doors closing. Doors closing.
It's my first time hearing those.
Fourth floor. Doors opening.
Let's go to P2.
Going down.
Can we end off P2?
Let's switch.
Doors closing.
Nice modern cabs.
P2. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
We're here at 800 West El Camino.
Going up.
Let me get a photo of that call button.
Going up.
It's really loud.
This one doesn't do the door messages.
Well, that indicator changes really fast.
Fourth floor.
So crisp.
Going down.
I like these tall ceilings.
Yeah.
P2.
Should we stand it up?
Yeah, let's get the
Going
last.
up.
Perfect.
Hear the other elevator. This one's identical to the other one.
I can get both indicators. There's QWERTY.
There's SBK elevators.
These are pretty fun.
These are a lot of fun.
I'm gonna end on my L.
Sure.
I like these Innovation Premier buttons. It's a permit.
Really fast.
And yeah, they're renovating right now. There it goes.